8th chapter, differential equations. This chapter belongs to mathematics 2B part 18. Last part completed, non-homogeneous differential equation introduction completed, non-homogeneous 3 cases, case 1, case 2, case 3, models explanation completed, and exercise 8D 3 cases problem also be completed. Today discuss linear differential equation. What is the meaning of linear differential equation? The highest degree of the differential equation is one, that is called linear differential equation. In this linear differential equation having two forms. First form is dy by dx plus py is equal to q. This is the first form of the linear differential equation. What is the second form? Second form is dx by dy plus px is equal to q. This is the second form of the linear differential equation. In this first form of the linear differential equation, p comma q are where p comma q are functions in terms of x. Understood or not? Is this first form dy by dx plus py equal to q? Here p comma q are functions in terms of x. Here in this dx by dy plus px is equal to q. In this form, where p comma q are functions in terms of y. Here in terms of x, here in terms of y. After that, you can find here if nothing but integral factor. What is the meaning of if? Integration factor or integral factor. This integral factor formula, in this form, if equal to e power integral p dx. This is a formula of integration factor. Integration factor in the first form is what? E power integral p dx. Similarly, integration part of this part is what? If equal what here? E power integral p dy. Here function in terms of x, you can write x. Here function in terms of y, you can write dy. After that, solution. What is the solution of in this form dy by dx plus py equal to q? What is the solution? Solution is if nothing but integration factor into integral q into if into all dx plus c. This is the solution of the first linear equation form. What is the form? dy by dx plus py equal to q. Solution is y into integration factor is equal to integral q into integration factor all dx plus c. Second form solution is what? Second form solution is x into if is equal to integral q into if into all dy plus c. This is the second form, that is dx by dy plus px is equal to q. This form solution is x into if nothing but integration factor integral q into if nothing but integration factor all dy plus c. This is the linear differential equation, two forms. This is the first form, this one is the second form. In this form, problems are explained next. Okay students, these formulas are very important. These formulas you get perfectly practiced, you get easily understood. Okay. Next to exercise 8. This linear differential equation model problems. First problem is what? Find the if nothing but integration factor of the following differential equation. D nothing but differential equation. What is the first problem? X into log x into dy by dx plus y is equal to 2 into log x. See students, what is the differential equation, linear differential equation form? dy by dx plus px is equal to q, or dy by dx plus px is equal to q. And in this form, dy by dx or dx by dy both coefficient is equal to 1, but here not equal to 1. That's why this total divided. This suppose we have to take this is 1 in equation 1. dividing on both sides x into log x. Why? Because you can divide it. Here dy by dx is there. Dy by dx is coefficient is always equal to 1. That form is called linear differential equation form. That's why this coefficient you can write 1. That's why this value totally divided. You get what? X into log x into dy by dx plus y all by x into log x is equal to 2 into log x by x into log x. Log x get cancelled. Separated here, numerator x into log x into dy by dx by x into log x plus y by x into log x is equal to 2 by x. See students, here x into log x get cancelled. Remaining here dy by dx plus y by, here y by x nothing but you can write 1 by x into log x into y. Understood or not? Y into 1 you get 1 is equal to 2 by x. Suppose this is in equation 2. In equation 2, comparing with the standard form of the linear differential equation. Comparing with what is the standard form of the linear? dy by dx plus py is equal to q form. What is the value of p? Here p value is 1 by x into log x. What is the value of q? Q value is 2 by x. Understood or not? Here dy by dx, py, y is there. This total value p is equal to this total value is q. What is the integration factor? What is the integration factor in this form? IF equal to e power integral p dx. What is the value of p? P value is 1 by x into log x into dx. You can write e power 1 by x into log x. You can write 1 by x by log x all dx. Understood or not, friends? X 1 by x by log x into log x. You can write similar. After that, this is f of x. This derivative numerator is the one. Log x derivative is what here? 1 by x is there. Integral f dash x by f of x form is there. What is that formula? Log of mod of f of x. E power log of mod of f of x value is log x. Here base e is there. Here base e base both are cancelled. Remaining you get to log x. That is the integration factor. This problem is very important. 2 marks problem in intermediate public health. 2 marks. Just you can find IF, that is 2 marks. You can find a solution, that is 4 marks. In this exercise, compulsory must and should compulsory come into the 1 4 marks question in every year Indian public examination. Sometimes 2 marks coming next. Okay, students. Find the integration factor of the following. D nothing but differential equation. What is the question? Y into dx by dy minus x is equal to 2y cube. Here dy by dx or dx by dy, this is a 2 form. The coefficient of these 2 is how much? 1. But here not equal to 1. That's why this y you can remove it. This y you can remove total equation divided with 2y. That's why this is 1. In equation 1, dividing on both sides 1 y, you get what says? Y into dx by dy minus x all by y is equal to 2 by q by y. Y 1 by get cancelled, remaining y scale is there. Here separated numerator y into dx by dy by y minus x by y is equal to 2 into y scale. You can write this one is y get cancelled, dx by dy minus this minus will be cancelled, plus of minus 1 by y into x is equal to 2y square. Understood or not, students? Once I explain. Dx by dx similar. Plus into minus you can write minus. X into 1 by y you can write x by y. That's why you can write this is equation number 2. In equation 2, comparing with which standard form? Dx by dy. Dx by dy plus px is equal to q form. Dx by dy plus px is equal to q. What is the value of p? P value is minus 1 by y. Q value is what here? Q value is 2y square. See students, already explained dx by dy form linear differential equation p comma q in terms of y function. Correct or not? That is correct one. Next, what is the formula of IF? Integration factor formula is what? E power integral p dy. E power integral p value how much here? P value minus 1 by y dy minus get common integral 1 by y dy. What is the integration of 1 by y? 1 by y nothing but 1 by x integration log x. E power minus log y. X nothing but y, a function in terms of y. That's why that this minus goes to numerator. Here this is a minus. This minus goes to power. Why? Because log a power m equal to m into log a formula is there. That's why e power log y power minus 1. Here base is there. This base is this log both are cancelled y power minus 1. Thus it can be written as 1 by y. This is the integration factor of given differential equation. This is also be very important 2 marks in internal public examination. This 2 marks problem just you can find first given linear equation converted to standard form. After that you can find IF. That is a very important 2 marks problem. Assignment problems are over problems. First one is x into dy by dx minus y is equal to 2x square into secant square 2x. First of all, this will be dy by dx quotient is x. That's why totally divided with x. You get over here. This is dy by dx minus y by x is equal to 2. X square by 1x is there. That is you can write directly secant square 2x. After this, dy by dx plus minus 1 by x into y is equal to 2x secant square x. This value is p, this value is q. IF value is what is the formula? Integral p dx. After that, you can do that similar way. This some hint is given. This is shortcut hint is given. Totally, you can do that clearly in classwork. Next, this one is here you can write dy by dx equal to y by x plus 2y cube. Y by x plus 2y cube you cannot divide separated. That's why this value goes to here. This value goes to here. This dy by dx goes to that type. That's type dx by dy is equal to this dy by dx goes to that side. Dx by dy all is equal to here. This value goes to here x plus 2 by q by y. Dx by dy is equal to x by y plus 2 with y cube by y 1 by get cancelled, remaining 2 is there. Dx by dy this value goes to here minus x by y is equal to 2y square. This can be written as dx by dy plus minus 1 by y into x is equal to 2y square. This is the value of p, this is the value of q. What is the formula of IF? IF is integral p dy in the form of dx by dy. This is in the form of dy by dx. That is the variation. These two forms you get perfectly identified, you get easily understood, easily coming total problem. These problems are 2 marks problems in intermediate public examination sometime asked. In this exercise, 80 compulsory coming to the 4 marks or 2 marks, maximum 4 marks question coming to the internal public examination.